Welcome to our exploration of organizing within tourism and hospitality organizations. We'll delve into how structuring resources, roles, and responsibilities is crucial for achieving strategic goals and fostering innovation in this dynamic industry. Organizing involves defining an organizational structure. This includes role allocation, where staff are assigned roles based on their skills, and establishing a hierarchical framework to ensure efficient operations within the organization. Organizational structure in hospitality includes clear reporting lines and authority levels. This clarity ensures that operations run smoothly, with each team member understanding their responsibilities and how they contribute to the overall success. Resource management is vital in organizing. It involves resource allocation, distributing financial, human, and material resources strategically, and capacity planning to efficiently meet demand fluctuations, ensuring smooth operations. Understanding the term organizing in this context helps organizations stay competitive. By aligning resources and roles with strategic goals, they can better meet evolving customer expectations and industry demands. A supportive culture is essential for organizing. Leadership support and recognition of innovative contributions motivate staff, fostering an environment where creativity thrives, ultimately benefiting the organization and its guests. In tourism and hospitality, organizing is about structuring roles, resources, and processes. This approach facilitates effective operations and fosters creativity, enabling organizations to adapt and deliver exceptional guest experiences. Thank you for joining this discussion on organizing in tourism and hospitality. By integrating structured roles, resources, and a supportive culture, organizations can enhance their adaptability and growth, ensuring exceptional service delivery.